Crispy dosa secrets revealed. Craving that perfect, crispy dosa? Forget takeout. We are diving into a super simple recipe that'll have you making restaurant quality dosas at home in no time. Get ready to impress your taste buds. It all starts with the batter. Combine 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of urad dal, and a half cup of methi seeds. Soak them together for 4 to 5 hours. This soaking process is key for that light and airy texture. Next, grind the soaked ingredients into a smooth batter using a blender or grinder. Add water gradually until you reach a pancake-like consistency. Don't forget to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Now for the secret ingredient, time. Let the batter ferment for 12 to 24 hours. This is what gives dosa its signature tangy flavor and crispy texture. You'll notice bubbles forming, that's a good sign. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour a latte of batter onto the hot pan and spread it evenly into a thin circle. Cook until the edges start to lift and the dosa turns golden brown. Flip and cook for a few more seconds. Serve hot with your favorite sambar and chutney. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Ready to become a dosa master? Like this video, subscribe for more easy recipes, and share your dosa creations with us in the comments below. We can't wait to see your crispy masterpieces.